everyone, back again. Welcome back to another video review. This time we're going to be taking a look at Transformers Cybertron Minicon class. Minicon drill bit. Its alternate mode is a drill. Its primary colors are gray, royal blue, light blue, gold cockpit, and some silver. Yeah, you can have the drills like this, or you can have them like this, similar to Armada Megatron Leader 1, or preferably this side. Pretty cool. Yeah, not a bad vehicle mode, but a definite vehicle mode. Transformation is very simple. Just want to unbend the legs, fold back the drills, take the arms, rotate them around. That, and there you have drill bit robot mode. That is exciting, isn't it? If you look very closely. Anyways, articulation has no head articulation. Arms go up and down, legs forward and back, bend forward. That's pretty much it for drill bit. Overall, drill bit is a highly recommended purchase by himself. If you get it with MetroPlex, that's even more awesome than that. So yeah, not a bad vehicle mode, but certainly not the best one, so bonus. Yeah, so that is my review of Cybertron drill bit, and I will see you all soon. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.